Hello everyone, welcome to Showing Zoology. My name is Itosai Dankara. I'm the founder of this channel. Now on this channel we talk about amazing, wonderful and wacky animals like the one I'm going to be talking about today, the zebra. Now the zebra is a species of equine, meaning that it's in the same family, equidae, as horses are. It is also in the same group of mammals called perissodactyls or all-toed ungulates, meaning that they have an odd number of toes, unlike the artiodactyls or even-toed ungulates that have an even number of toes. Now zebras, just like horses, have one toe, which makes them perissodactyls, and not only that, they are also closely related and all that. Perissodactyls also include rhinos and tapirs, which are other groups found in the perissodactyl order. Now, zebras are found mostly and only in Africa, although they can be found on other continents, but mostly in zoos. They evolved and their only wild populations are in Africa and Africa alone. Now, the zebra is a pretty enigmatic species. A lot of you know about zebras. A lot of you have been seen zebras before. And I'm here to tell you and enlighten you more about them. Now, let's start with the basics. A zebra is basically a white and black horse. Of course, that's an oversimplification of things, but I hope you get what I'm trying to say. They are closely related to horses being their closest living relatives. Now, zebras are often around the same size as some of the big horse breeds. Now, we measure horses, most equids, in hands. Now, most zebras, we don't really apply hand measurement for zebras, we only apply it for horses, but we can still measure them in hands, but we don't really do that a lot. Now, zebras are quite big, although they were not domesticated by human beings like horses were. They are strictly wild. There are no domestic populations of zebras. Now, one of the striking features of zebras is their stripes. Now, actually, zebras are black are actually white with stripes. They don't, they're actually black with white patches. That white comes out, but different parts of the body grow different colors of hair. Now, if you observe closely at a living zebra, you see that the muscle, that's the region containing the nose and the mouth, is black, indicating that the skin is black. So if you shave the zebra, you see that the skin is black too. But the hair, the white part that we see is hair, not the skin itself. Now, zebras are actually black skinned. Now, most of the features of the zebra are very similar to that of the horse. They have a mane which they use to protect themselves in battle and to showcase their status in the herd. They are also quite social animals, very social, just like horses. They live in large numbers. They live in large numbers called herds, along with other animals, including wildebeest, antelope, giraffes, and other herbivores found in their habitats. Now, zebras have a very powerful kick and bite force. Now, of course, the kick is not something you'll be surprised of. Horses too have powerful kicks, but a zebra's kick is very, very powerful, enough to even shatter the skulls of some of its predators like lions and wild dogs. But one thing that you might have also that might have caught your attention is the bite force. Zebras have incredibly strong bite forces too, even rivaling some carnivores too. Same thing with horses though, but zebras have a bigger, harder bite force than horses. Now they use these incredible bites to to mostly defend themselves, both in fights between each other and fights between predators. Same with the kick too, they use it to protect themselves and also in fights. Now a zebra herd is often composed of the one male, that's the main stallion that takes care of the herd and is responsible for making all the babies, while it also consists of females. Usually there are more females in the herd than males. They are the ones that give birth to the baby. Once male young are born, once they come of age, their father will kick them out of the herd so that they can find their own herd, unless they are somehow able to dethrone him from the top spot. Now, zebras, like I said before, are very social animals, not only living with themselves, but they also share their habitat and environment and resources with other herbivores, including wildebeest, several different species of antelope, ostriches, elephants, and practically everyone else on the African savanna. Now, they need such large numbers, mostly for defense. They need to defend themselves because a lot of eyes, most prey animals have developed large number as a way of defense against tough big predators, especially lions. But not only lions feed on zebras. Zebras are eaten by many other top predators in the African savanna, including lions, like I said before, but also leopards, cheetahs, crocodiles, wild dogs, and hyenas. Now, they have told you most of the adaptations that zebras use to defend themselves, like the powerful kick and bite, but they also use camouflage to defend themselves. Now, that might seem somehow, because how can a white and black animal stand out in such an open habitat? Camouflage itself in such an open habitat of the savannah. Now, this may seem weird, but it's not really to camouflage themselves from the predators. It's to camouflage themselves from another animal that also causes havoc to them, the safety fly, which is the one that causes the sleeping sickness too. Now, they do this camouflage by lining themselves up. Now, these zebras, they have a distinct pattern, but it cannot really be detected or seen from a distance. And they use it to their advantage to distract and confuse both predators and the tsetse fly from attacking them and singling out individuals to take down. Now, the zebra is a pseudo-ruminant, meaning that it's not really a ruminant, having four stomachs like most of the other ruminants found in the Artiodactyla order, including cows, sheep, and goats. Just like their horse relatives, they are pseudo-ruminants, meaning that they have three stomachs instead of two. But they don't really chew, and they do chew the cud like ruminants do, but their digestion is in a different but still similar process. I hope you learned a lot about these creatures today, and just like many other animals, they face a grave threat. We pose an impending threat to these creatures, from hunting to habitat loss to encroachment. So many things do we do to these incredible animals. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you're going to take your time and watch this video and understand what I explained to you. I hope you're going to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing animal content. Thank you.